Morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So we are currently on our way. Well, we've parked. We're on our way to pretty close. It's a spot in Gordon Town area. It's a very popular spot. We've never been there before. I feel like we're the only travel content creators in Jamaica who have not been there. So we're about to ride that travesty today. We are parked here. What they have you do is they make you park, and then there's going to be a shuttle that carries you up to the spot. So we didn't know about that, but that's fine. So we're waiting on the shuttle now. So I'm excited to go there. It's going to, I think it's, and they also serve food. I've seen pictures of the food, and I haven't eaten anything all morning because I'm waiting for the food. I am excited. Are you excited, babe?
Yeah. Because I've seen what they offer, and yeah, it looks pretty interesting.
Pretty good. Pretty close. Pretty close to what I need to eat right now. It's raining right now. They said to wait right here. There's this blue truck that's right here. Candy store. Kid in a candy store. I get to pick any spot I need to go to. We're the only ones here today. Feels like we're the only ones here today. I guess so. Them have to prepare, yeah. Wow, guys, it's gorgeous here. There are dogs here. There are dogs here. I wish we had a dog who could carry them on like adventures. But we're all full of cats. What? If Cleo?
If Luna play her cards right, she can get paid. Come on.
I'm not stressed out Luna. That would be nice though. I thought she was an outside cat. So we get some soup or sip.
If you get two of this.
Two calabashes? This calabash?
Can't eat all that.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah. So cold, guys. You see it, right? Oh God. Yeah, I'm good. Them know where them are go. Oh Lord. Holy shit. I did it. Doggy, doggy. I'm right for name the place, you're pretty close. Trick your mind, no girl. The dog literally knows where to go. We're back in the car. We're back from pretty close. The shuttle dropped us off How was it, babe? How was Pretty Close for you?
It was not close.
It was not close.
No, man. It was.
No, it was gorgeous. It was a nice to walk. We like to hike in nature, so it's totally fine for us. If it's if you're not up to a little bit of a walk or a little bit of a hike, it may be a little bit much for you. It's like mid-range. It's not awful, but it's like, you know. And then also the pricing, it's 5,800 Jamaican dollars per person. So with that, you get access to the waterfall with a guide to guide you to the falls. It wasn't bad. As long as he showed us the direction, me and Hakeem literally started walking by ourselves. Walked up
yeah,
and
we're natural explorers.
We're natural, yeah. We have like a door right now.
We know if we see a path. We're not there at the
we
path.
can just guide, yeah. we can follow it, and we can listen. We're very in tune to hearing waterfalls as well. With that, you get access to the falls. You get food. You get soup on arrival, which is like some vegetable soup. Then you get food, which I would have shown you before. It was delicious, and it hit the spot. It was a lot. It looked like a little bit because the bowl is not that big, but the food is like in it, compacted. There's rice and peas, ackee and saltfish, stewed peas with dumpling, 2 pieces of green plantain, 2 pieces of ripe plantain, a fish, like a fried fish. What else was in there? Oh, cook up cabbage. Food was busting, and we haven't really had fried fish or fried food in a while, so I feel like I went in on it. But yeah, overall it was an awesome experience, and we'll definitely come back with friends. We'll definitely come back again. Like, it's a nice little vibe. If you don't love dogs, by the way, just be mindful. There's dogs, but they're friendly dogs. They're not bad dogs. But if you're not like a dog person, that may be a little bit much for you. But we love animals, so we love that they literally walked with us up to the falls and walked back down. They're like, it's their home. We just visited their home. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. We decided to come out this weekend. It was a big weekend for us. We did a lot this weekend. I went to Manchester for a concert, because tomorrow is our boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary. So we've been together for 11 years. Yeah, 11 years with this guy. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss whenever I upload. Until then, bye.